All right, this is going to be a part one video for the 7.3 liter valve covers that are going to be coming out hopefully this summer. Try to dress up some of the 7.3 engines that we've got for our Power Stroke guys. So you see us 3D scanning, and the purpose of this is for correct fitment. So to make sure that those valve covers fit just like the factory, we are able to hold about 2 thousandths tolerance on this 3D scanner. The valve cover obviously does not mandate such tolerances, but we're going to go ahead and scan this in, and you can see from that video that white Ajax that's sitting on the table. There's kind of a purpose for that, and what that is a lot of times is that the part that you're trying to scan, if it's not a critical part as far as the dimension is concerned, and you're trying to hold a really tight tolerance on it, sometimes a little dust so the light doesn't reflect off of it, that helps. There's other material, there's other products that are available that just happen to be what I had at the time. Stay tuned for part two.